What's good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. I hope you are too. If not, this video will make it better, I promise. We're finna make something super fire today, so make sure you grab your laptop while watching the video. That way, learn the most out of it, you feel me? If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, join the family, join the community, feel me? Big shout out to you, my beautiful, lovely subscribers. Before we start the video, I want to give a big shout out to Heat for sponsoring this video. Really appreciate it. Heat is a company that has helped over 1,500 producers how to sell their beats and the marketing behind it. If you want to learn how to do this, they created a free masterclass for you to watch down below in the description, so make sure to go check that out. The free masterclass is given by Robin Weasley. He's a producer that has been selling beats since 2013, and he's been featured on Airbeat, BeatStars, Native Instruments, and many more, so make sure to go check it out. The link is in the description, gang. But yeah, if you want to sell more beats online, you first need to know how to make super fire beats, so make sure you grab your laptop, just follow along, and let's get it. Let's put our tempo at 160 and open up Kontakt. Okay, I kind of like that. I just played something really smooth on the piano. I'm just going to mess around with the pattern a little bit more, add some extra notes, then just go over to adding some counter melodies and stuff. So I hope you can follow along. If not, pause the video, work with me, and come back, you feel me? Come back stronger. Right here, I want a triplet, but I'm going to play it with the velocity. That way it goes like that. Okay, so it's giving me a little bit of those vintage Travis Scott type of vibe. So I'm going to add this vinyl plugin, and I'm going to cut some lows out of it because it was a little bit too bassy for me, the piano. So just this, and I'm going to add some chorus as well, and just to give it some extra flavor, you feel me? Yo, that's what I'm talking about, bro. Super fire. Oh jeez, that's too saucy, bro. I think the best way to come up with counter melodies is just layering and messing around with the first pattern you made, because right now I'm going to layer it with one last sound just to spice it up a little bit more, the main chords. I think last but not least, it needs a bass line or something just to switch it up from to the bridge, maybe to the hook. So far it's sounding super fire, bro. I can definitely hear Travis Scott or TOLIVER on this beat, so super fire in my opinion. not sure about the 808 though. Like I might maybe need to change that into another one. Maybe just like a simple spins 808. Yo, this might be the hardest beat I made on the channel, bro. No cap, the melody is sitting right. The drums are just like complementing the melody, just like making love almost. But I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you especially learned from this. This video showed you how to make like a Travis Scott, Don Toliver type beat, really in like the ambient atmosphere, like maybe something for like Travis Scott, Ethiopia type of stuff. But super fire. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate it. Make sure to follow me on Instagram @SkanaBeats. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.